Good day to all my viewers, and especially to all my subscribers. Yeah, I'm glad to be back here out of sunny South Africa, Natal, South Coast. Yeah, it hasn't been very sunny here on the coast the last 2 days. We had quite a bit of rain. Yeah, I checked my rain meter just now, and it was almost on 100 millimeters of rain. Yeah. So luckily it's not falling rapidly. It's just raining continuously the last 2 days. So that's actually good for the plants and the trees. We need it. And South Africa is a water scarce country. So we love our rain. But I just want to tell all my viewers that we made a nice, lovely seafood pizza last night. Double thick base. We love it. So, you're welcome to check that recipe. It's my wife's recipe. And we enjoyed it so much. Lovely. Yeah, and I can just tell my viewers that if you want to change up the recipe and not use seafood, you can put on that pizza whatever you like. Make a Hawaiian pizza, make whatever you want. Just stick to the basic recipe and then you can make your own lovely pizza, whatever you like. But this ingredients was just left over from the seafood that we bought, and we're gonna use it tonight. We love our seafood here at the coast. But tonight I'm just gonna show my viewers all over the world, how you make a pancake. We call it a pannekoek in Afrikaans, pannekoek. I don't know if my overseas viewers know a pancake, or maybe they just call it something else. Please let us know what you guys and girls call it overseas. But we enjoy our pancakes. It's actually a tradition in South Africa. When it rains, we make pancake. Lekker pannekoek. Lekker pancake. But I'm just going to show you now quickly. I've got a very nice recipe. It's my own recipe. And as I say, I'm not a chef. But people have told me that I can make nice food. And I enjoy it so much. I put a lot of effort into my food. So some people have asked me that had the privilege of eating this pancakes with us, with this filling. What is your secrets? But sometimes a cook hides his secrets. But I'm gonna tell you guys tonight, I've got 2 basic ingredients that makes this recipe very nice. And I think it's time to tell you guys and girls what the secret is. But I'm just quickly gonna show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'll do it quick. I don't want to make my video too long. Basically I've got onions. I've got muscle meat. I've got calamari rings that I chopped up into small pieces. I've got prawn meat. It's already deveined. Just a secret. Make sure your prawns and your crayfish is always deveined. It's not healthy to eat the intestine of a crayfish or a prawn. Not healthy at all. Okay. Then I've got some cheese, some cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I've cut it into slices. I don't like to clean the grater. Grater in Afrikaans is a rasper. Yeah, it's quite difficult. Yeah, then I'm somewhere going to show you. I've got some olive oil. I've got some fresh cream. I've got some lemon and black pepper seasoning in our apartments. Very, very nice. Yeah, and I've got some fresh lemon. Yeah, and here's one of my small secrets. Saffron. Saffron. Buy yourself a little bottle of saffron. Oh, it's a little bit expensive, but you just use a little bit in your recipes, especially seafood. It gives it a great taste. Yeah. So yeah, that's the basic ingredients. But I'm gonna get my gas burner. Yeah, I'm somewhere gonna use it. Usually I do this outside on the stoop with a gas burner, and that's the way most South Africans do pancake on a gas burner stove. Yeah, so it's too cold tonight and it's a little bit windy and rainy, so I'm just gonna bring my gas burner stove inside the kitchen. I'm not gonna use my normal stove, and I'm gonna show you guys and girls how I make this beautiful filling. Okay, I'll be back just now. Okay, I've got my gas stove here in the kitchen. I've got my non-stick pan on. I've changed my gloves. Yeah, so here we go. So what you do first in this recipe, you put a little bit of olive oil. Oh, I love my olive oil. Yeah, there we go. Be generous. Okay, I'm going to put it on this side. Okay. Then what you do, just let it heat up a little bit. You set your gas burner the way you want it. Okay, so I'm just going to let it heat up a little bit. Okay, so while it's heating up, I can somewhere put in my onions first. Oh. Yeah, and try to remember always with a non-stick pan or pot, use a plastic appliance to stir your stuff. Otherwise you damage your pans and your pots. I'm just waiting for it to sizzle now. Now you can hear the gas stove burner burning. I love the sound. I love it. I remember as kids we went camping quite a lot. Yeah, freshwater fishing, and at night when you cook and you use the gas stove, yeah, that sound is amazing. And we also used gas lamps. Yeah, I love it. It just brings back good memories. Yeah, you can see it now starting to sizzle. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to pause my video again. I just want to get my onions cooked halfway, and then I'll show you the rest of the recipe. Okay, I think the onions is ready. I don't want to brown my onions. Yeah, that's nice with meat. I just want to soften them with the seafood. Okay. So now basically I'm going to add my prawn meat. Nice. cut into small pieces. I'm going to add my mussels. Yeah. Nice. And my calamari meat, also cut into small pieces. Okay, so what I do next is I just stir it up a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna set my heat a little bit higher. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it cook for a few minutes until everything is almost cooked. But you can add your spicing just now. You do it according to taste. As I say, this in our Palmans lemon and black pepper seasoning is very, very tasty. Very nice. Yeah, I just do it according to my family's taste. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I'll just stir it up a little bit. So I get all my spices and flavoring inside the seafood meat. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. Yeah, so basically I just let it cook now for about, let's say, not too long. Seafood, you never cook too long. Yeah, 5 to 7 minutes. And yeah, I'm just going to pause the camera quickly and show you the rest of the recipe. Okay, to all my viewers, I'm back. Yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit of this saffron now. Just a little bit. Yeah, you don't have to use a lot. It gives a great flavor. Remember the saffron. Yeah, great flavor. Okay, got that in. Yeah, it's been cooking now for 7 minutes. So what I do next is, yeah, just stir it up a little bit so the saffron goes inside your seafood mix. Yeah, okay, right. Okay, then I put in the cheese, as I said, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Yeah, lovely. Cheese is a beautiful, beautiful thing in any recipe. Lovely. Right, I've got everything in. So, yeah, I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Once again, this cheese is going to melt like and beautifully into this filling. All right. Okay, so what I do next is I put some fresh lemon juice. I'm just going to put some nice lemon juice in here. Yeah. Lemon juice and seafood, they like big buddies. Hulle is groot maatjies. Ja. Groot maatjies. You can't eat seafood without putting lemon juice on top. Yeah. So I'm gonna squeeze some more lemon juice. Lovely. Okay. Okay, and then the last thing that I put in is my cream. Be generous with the cream. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Lovely. Okay. Just want to clean my hands quickly with a paper towel. Yeah, there's nothing worse than a chef or a cook that makes food for you with dirty hands. Nothing worse. I'm sure all my viewers and subscribers will agree with me. Nothing worse. Yeah. Okay. Now there's one secret ingredient that's missing, and that's the one that made my recipe so special. I don't know if you guys and girls saw it hiding there next to my beautiful dad's photo. Yeah, he passed away a few years ago. I love him so much and I miss him so much. Yeah, that was one of his fishing trips on that photo. I leave it here in the kitchen almost permanently. I love looking at that beautiful face of him. Yeah. As I said in my cooking a pizza video yesterday, yeah, I thought I had the most beautiful dad in the world. Yeah. He's good looking guy. When he was young, he was a good looking guy. Yeah. Okay, so I just stir it up a little bit. Yeah, you guys must let me know if I'm improving with my English. As you know, I'm a Afrikaans guy. So I struggle a little bit. You'll hear it in my videos, but let me know if I'm improving. I'm trying my best. Okay. So now I'm going to reveal my secret ingredient in this recipe. Oh, it's so simple. Honey. Yeah, honey. So simple, but it makes this recipe special. Yeah, I'm going to put in some honey. Lovely. About 1.5 tablespoons. That's it. There we go. That's my secret weapon. Honey. Okay, I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Yeah, now it's going to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, almost 5 minutes, yeah. And then I'll show you again what happens next. Okay, I'm just going to pause the camera. Okay, my viewers, I'm back. Cooked now for 5 minutes. The last thing that I do with this filling is I add a little bit of maizena and water, just 2 teaspoons of maizena with a little bit of water. I mix it up properly and I added to my filling just to make it more stable. Yeah, so it's not runny. I don't know what a better word to use, but yeah, when you put it into your pancakes, yeah, you can see already it's getting, the texture is getting better. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and I can just tell my viewers, you can either put this filling cold or hot into your pancakes. Yeah, that's your choice. We're gonna have it hot tonight. Yeah, it's almost 8 p.m. here in South Africa. It's not live TV. Yeah, but we're gonna have it hot tonight because it's quite a rainy, cold night tonight. Yeah, just stir it quite a lot. This lasts 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. You can just imagine what this is gonna taste like inside a pancake. Just imagine. I always apologize to especially to my subscribers and my viewers. Yeah, to make you hungry, but yeah, we all like good food. And me and my family, we all don't always eat like that. Yeah, sometimes it's just a sandwich at night. But we were lucky to have this leftover seafood. Yeah, and I'm gonna try my best to get that crayfish. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best. But we'll see what the conditions look like in the following days. Okay, this is ready. Now I'm gonna show my viewers how to make the pancakes. So I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, to all my viewers, my wife is the expert on making the pancakes. I'm not very good with that, but she's quickly helping me to cook just 1 or 2 pancakes. We'll show you how. We just want to show you how we put the dough on the heated pan. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, come closer, bring it closer. Yeah, okay, here we go. She's putting it on. Yeah, we'll post you the recipe for this pancake mix. Okay, and I'll quickly bring back the gas burner stove. I'm putting it back. Yeah, remember, I've got a difficult job. I do my own lighting here with lamps, and I'm the cameraman, fisherman, and the producer. Yeah, at least my wife is helping me now with baking the pancakes. Yeah, so it's a very quick process. Very, very quick. It's almost just a minute aside that you cook it. You'll see the edges of the pancake. If it starts lifting, you loosen it up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. My wife is very good with this. She's gonna make us a lot of pancakes now. Yeah. Just loosen the edges if it starts lifting. Yeah. But it's very, very quick. It's almost a minute, minute and a half each side. So now, yeah, she's gonna almost turn it over. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, some use your hands or I can't think for the right name for the flipping utensil. Yeah, no, sorry. As I said, I'm Afrikaans, I'm struggling. Yeah, so now it's just another minute and a half on the other side. That's the way you cook a pancake. Yeah, very simple. Okay, we're just gonna make one more. I don't want to make the video too long. And then I'll just show my viewers quickly how you put the filling inside the pancake. Yeah, and it's also a tradition to put sugar and cinnamon. That's the biggest thing in South Africa. When it's a rainy day, you put sugar and cinnamon. Yeah, half a cup of sugar, brown sugar or white sugar, according to your taste. And let's say 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You mix it up. Yeah, that's for pudding. Oh, lovely pudding. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, so this pancake, you can see the edges are lifting up a little bit. Yeah, you just loosen it with your utensil. That's good. Yeah. Now my wife is gonna flip it over. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, and if you start, if you reach the point that you're a pancake professional, you can actually flip them in the air. Yeah, with your pan. But we won't try it tonight. It's a little bit risky. I don't want to mess up this video. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to cook some more pancakes, and I'll just quickly show you in the video how to put the filling in and how to put the sugar cinnamon mix on the pudding pancakes. Lekker man, lekker. Sure. Okay, to all my viewers, I'm back. My wife has done the hard work cooking the pancakes, but she's an expert. I love her so much. Yeah, I've got a beautiful wife. Yeah, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just show my viewers how to plate the pancake with the filling and the one with the sugar and cinnamon. That's for pudding. Okay, but let's do the pancake with the filling first. Okay, so you just take one of the pancakes, yeah, put it on the plate, just like that. Yeah, I got my filling here. It's still in the pan. I'm just gonna put it in the middle of the pancake, just like that. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. You can see the sauce or the filling became nice and thick with the maizena and water that I put into my filling. Yeah, just like that. Let's be a little bit more generous. Yeah, oh, beautiful. Okay, that's it. Okay, then all you do next is you fold it over from this side to that side and from that side to this side. There's a beautiful pancake with a lovely filling. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to move this one to that side. Okay, then I'm going to quickly show you. This is now going to be the pudding after you've eaten that pancake. I'm going to take another pancake, just put it on the plate. Yeah, I've already got my sugar cinnamon mix. Yeah, I just want to put it there and we can see it properly on the camera. Okay, I'm also going to throw it just like this. Just put the sugar cinnamon mix according to your taste. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. You can always add a little bit of melted butter. Just sprinkle it over your pancake now. Yeah, that makes it very nice. And just what you do next is you just roll it up. Just roll it up like this. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice. Let's do another one quickly. I'm just putting that one on that side next to the... Yeah, but that's going to be for pudding. I'm going to put another pancake. Yeah. Sugar cinnamon mix. Okay. Very, very nice. And then I just gently roll it up. Just like that. This is a big South African tradition. Pancakes with a sugar and cinnamon mix. Yeah, and I just want to tell my viewers with the pancake that I've put the filling in. Once again, the garlic lovers, you can just add a little bit of garlic to your recipe. Yeah, very nice. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner now. And I hope you guys and girls enjoyed my video tonight. Yeah. And I hope I didn't make you guys and girls' mouths water too much. But yeah. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Bye bye.